Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I have found your perfect travel buddy for your next trip with this set from Depoza. The first thing I notice about this set is how beautiful the colors are and the nice detail on them. And I love that it's printed on the silicone, how much they hold. That way you don't have to wonder or worry about it rubbing off. Each container is really easy to fill thanks to this little mini spatula and also the mini funnel that is included in the kit. And you don't have to worry about what you put in which container because it comes with this neat little set of labels. I've already taken this set with me on many trips, including work and vacation, and it makes packing so much easier having everything all in one kit. And I don't worry about them spilling because, as you can see, there's liquid in here and the cap is not filling with anything. And the pump works really good on these spray bottles. Cleanup is really easy because the hard plastic ring comes off and you just have the silicone bottle that needs to be washed out. And most importantly, it makes packing super easy. So if you're looking to keep everything neat and tidy and looking good in your bags, especially when you're going through the airport, you're going to love this set from Depoza. And that's my point of view.